Hi everyone. When you think of the UK stock market, it might not fill you with enthusiasm, but Rolls-Royce is a British success story. It's the fifth best performer on the FTSE 100 so far this year and is higher by more than 100%. Its track record over the last 5 years is stunning. It's higher by nearly 3,000%. It's worth noting that Rolls-Royce is distinct from the luxury car company which is owned by BMW. Rolls-Royce is a £100 billion company and its core operations include civil aerospace, defense and power systems for data centers. Without Rolls-Royce, there would be no air travel as we know it. To get a sense of the company's scale, it builds 80% of all engines for the world's jumbo jets. Rolls-Royce makes for a fascinating comeback story. Its share price sunk to 35 pence at the height of the pandemic when global aircraft were grounded. It's now the sixth most highly valued company on the FTSE 100, behind AstraZeneca, HSBC, Shell and Unilever. Since the pandemic, there's been a confluence of factors that have come together to cause the stock price to explode. Firstly, a rapid increase in defense spending. Since Russia invaded Ukraine in 2022, there's been an unprecedented 18% increase in defense spending across NATO allies. 23 NATO members now meet the 2% defense spending target out of 32 members. This is up from just 6 in 2021. The rush to boost defense spending has had a huge impact on global defense stocks. Rolls-Royce is a market leader for aero engines for military transport and patrol systems. It produces submarines with unique nuclear propulsion capability, as well as Navy ships and helicopters. So Rolls-Royce is one of the key beneficiaries of NATO members ramping up their defense spend. The surge in demand for travel since the pandemic has shown no sign of abating and is driving demand for Rolls-Royce engines from the likes of Airbus and Boeing, which is also beefing up revenues. Rolls-Royce is vital for data center construction that will power the AI revolution in the coming years. There's a voracious demand for data centers right now, and Rolls-Royce makes backup generators that are vital for AI. Due to this, Rolls-Royce is a great way to get indirect exposure to the AI trade. Its financial fundamentals are also stunning. The surge in demand for Rolls-Royce has seen its market capitalization nearly double in a year. 2025 first half results were equally stunning. It's reported a 9% growth in revenues compared to a year ago. The company also has chunky profit margins. Gross profit margin was 22.3% in 2024, is expected to grow to more than 25% this year. The company continues to report strong growth across all business segments, and this is expected to continue into 2026. And analysts continue to expect robust earnings growth for this year and next, as you can see in the chart below. From a technical perspective, the stock doesn't look overbought. Rolls-Royce is a great momentum stock. It made a record high in late September and has mostly traded sideways near that peak ever since. Rolls-Royce is powering an uncertain world where geopolitical tensions are high and global economies are expected to rapidly change due to artificial intelligence. This is feeding strong corporate results, which is why investors keep coming back for more of the stock. As part of a special promotion, XTB is offering one free Rolls-Royce stock to all new clients. This promotion will encourage and support people as they begin their investing journey, inspiring new investors to take their first step with confidence.